I woke up at 6. I woke up at 6.
I rub my eyes. I rub my eyes.
I sit up in bed. I sit up in bed.
I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
I open the window. I open the window. Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom, and today my voice is working, which is already a good morning.
It's true, 10 minutes ago he was making sounds, not words.
I was warming up. Every engine needs a warm-up.
Today we're doing shadowing practice with 30 morning routine sentences. Short sentences, easy words, all A1 and A2 level.
And shadowing means what exactly for anyone who is new here?
You listen to us, then you say the same sentence out loud. Same speed, same rhythm, same feeling.
Out loud, not in your head. Your mouth needs the exercise, not your brain.
That's actually a good line, Tom.
I have one good line per video. I used it early today.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We post a new English lesson every single day, and daily practice is how you get fast.
And if you're not new, thank you. Seriously, you're the reason we keep waking up early.
Speaking of waking up early,
Please don't.
oh, I'm going to. Before we start, I have a question for everyone watching. Tom made his coffee this morning, half asleep, eyes barely open. Something went into that cup, and it was not milk. Lily. So here's my question for you. What do you think Tom poured into his coffee this morning? Think about it. Type your guess in the comments while we practice.
Oh, you people are going to be so mean to me.
Okay, tell them, what time did you wake up?
6:15, my alarm rang, I hit the button, I sat there like a broken robot.
A broken robot.
My eyes were open, nothing behind them, just wind.
And then?
Then I went to the kitchen because coffee fixes everything. I put my cup on the table, I opened the fridge, I picked something up, and I poured it.
And you didn't look?
Lily, I did not look. Looking is an advanced skill. It was 6:15.
So when did you notice?
After the first sip, my whole face changed. My cat looked at me like I insulted her family.
Your cat is named Biscuit, and she has no patience.
Biscuit judged me. She still is judging me. I can feel it from here.
Okay, everyone, remember that question. What was in the cup? Guess in the comments and be creative.
Be kind, please. Kind and creative.
Now, let's use this. Tom's morning is a mess, but it's a perfect lesson because a morning routine is the same words every day.
Same words every day. That's why this practice works so fast.
Let's look at the grammar first. It's very simple today.
Present simple, right?
Exactly. When we talk about our routine, we use present simple. I plus verb.
I wake up. I eat. I go.
No extra words. No am, no ing, just I plus verb.
So I am wake up is wrong?
Very wrong and very common. Just say, I wake up.
I wake up.
Perfect. Now, one small change. When we talk about he or she, we add s to the verb.
I wake up. He wakes up.
I drink coffee. She drinks coffee.
Tom pours strange things into his cup.
Correct grammar. Sad story.
My English is good. My mornings are not.
Today, all 30 sentences start with I, so you can copy them exactly. Later, try changing them to he or she for extra practice.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Here's how it works. I say the sentence, Tom repeats it, then you repeat it. Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Nobody is listening to you. Only your neighbors, maybe.
Ignore him. Number 1.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
I say this sentence, and my body remembers the pain.
Number 2. I rub my eyes.
I rub my eyes.
I rub my eyes.
Rub. That's a nice word. R-U-B.
Feel the B at the end. Rub.
Rub. Rub my eyes.
Number 3. I sit up in bed.
I sit up in bed.
I sit up in bed.
This is the hardest part of my day, and it's only sentence 3.
Number 4. I turn on the lamp.
I turn on the lamp.
I turn on the lamp.
And the light hurts every morning, every single morning.
Number 5. I open the window.
I open the window.
I open the window.
Ah, cold air on your face. That helps more than coffee.
Even your special coffee?
Moving on.
Number 6. I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
Everyone do it. Take a real breath right now.
That's good advice, Tom.
2 good lines. New record.
Number 7. I fold my blanket.
I fold my blanket.
I fold my blanket.
I fold my blanket adly, but I fold it.
Number 8. I put on my slippers.
I put on my slippers.
I put on my slippers.
Slippers. 2 P's, 2 words in one. Slip-ers.
Nice and slow. Slippers.
Slippers.
Number 9. I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk. Some mornings I float. Some mornings I crawl.
Number 10. I take a warm shower.
I take a warm shower.
I take a warm shower.
Warm shower. Best 2 words in English.
10 sentences finished. How do you feel?
Awake. Actually awake now.
Part 2. Getting ready. Same rules. Say it out loud. Number 11. I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
Mine dries in 2 directions at once. Nobody can stop it.
Number 12. I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
Careful with comb, everyone. The B is silent. We say comb.
Very good. Comb.
Comb.
Number 13. I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
And this morning the mirror looked back and said, "Sir, go back to bed."
Number 14. I clean my glasses.
I clean my glasses.
I clean my glasses.
If your glasses are dirty, your whole day is dirty.
Number 15. I choose a clean shirt.
I choose a clean shirt.
I choose a clean shirt.
Choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. We say choose with a Z sound.
Choose.
Choose.
Number 17. I button my shirt.
I buttoned my shirt.
I button my shirt.
And then I checked the buttons twice because one time I did not.
I remember. We were live.
We don't talk about that.
Number 18. I feed my cat.
I feed my cat.
I feed my cat.
Biscuit does not wait. Biscuit sings until the bowl is full.
Sings.
It's a generous word. Let's keep it.
Number 19. I water my plants.
I water my plants.
I water my plants.
Water is a verb here, not the drink, the action.
I water my plants every morning.
I water mine every 3 weeks and then apologize to them.
Number 20. I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
And this is where my morning went wrong.
Comments? Keep guessing. Last 10. You're doing great. Keep your voice loud. Number 21. I boil some water.
I boil some water.
I boil some water.
Boil. B-O-I-L. It's a short word with a big sound in the middle.
Number 22. I fry an egg.
I fry an egg.
I fry an egg.
I fry 2, actually. 1 for me, 1 for the pan to destroy.
Number 23. I stir my tea.
I stir my tea.
I stir my tea.
Stir. Move it round and round with a spoon.
Number 24. I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
At the table, not in the table. Please, not in.
Very important. Number 25. I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
My favorite sentence in the English language.
Number 26. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
Ah, my least favorite sentence in the English language.
Number 27. I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
Take out. Another two-word verb. Take out the trash.
Say it one more time, everyone. I take out the trash. Number 28. I grab my keys.
I grab my keys.
I grab my keys.
And I always check my pocket 3 times at the door.
Number 29. I close the door.
I close the door.
I close the door.
Quietly, because Biscuit is sleeping again by then. Rough life.
Number 30. I start my day.
I start my day.
I start my day.
30 sentences. That's the whole morning, from the alarm to the door.
And you said all of them out loud, I hope. Did you?
We know. We always know.
Let's put it together fast. 3 parts.
Part 1. Waking up. Wake up, rub my eyes, sit up in bed, turn on the lamp, open the window.
Take a deep breath, fold my blanket, put on my slippers, walk to the bathroom, take a warm shower.
Part 2. Getting ready. Dry my hair, comb my hair, look in the mirror, clean my glasses, choose a clean shirt.
Button my shirt, put on my watch, feed my cat, water my plants, open the fridge.
The famous fridge.
Part 3. Breakfast and out the door. Boil some water, fry an egg, stir my tea, sit at the table, eat my breakfast.
Wash the dishes, take out the trash, grab my keys, close the door, start my day.
And remember the grammar. I plus verb, he or she plus verb plus S.
I wake up, he wakes up, she drinks tea.
Try this tomorrow morning. Do your routine and say each sentence out loud while you do it.
That's the trick. Real actions plus real words. Your brain remembers it much faster.
10 minutes a day, that's all. Now tell us something. What is the very first thing you do after your alarm rings?
And be honest. If the answer is, I sleep 10 more minutes, write that.
Write it. In English, in the comments. 1 sentence is enough.
And read the other comments too. You'll see how many people are practicing with you right now.
We read them every day, every single day. That's our lesson for today. 30 morning routine sentences, all yours now.
Save this video, come back tomorrow morning and practice with us again while you get ready.
And if this helped you, subscribe. We post a new lesson every day so you never run out of practice.
Turn on notifications too. Then we show up in your morning whether you like it or not.
That sounds like a threat.
It's a promise with bad manners.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Your English gets better every time you speak out loud.
Have a beautiful day, everyone.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.